Welcome, my dear little cuties and beauties. Now, teacher is giving some tricks to learn alphabets J, K, and L. I hope you all enjoy watching other videos from School to Prosper. Please try this, okay? Let's start. Hello, I am capital J. This is my buddy, small j. J for jackfruit. J for jet. J for joker. J for jug.
Dear little ones, now you know the two buddies of capital J and small j. And do you know how to draw these two alphabets? Okay, now let's recall. Please recall the shapes that we already learned. The first one is a standing line and a sleeping line, and we have two slanting lines, this and this. These are the shapes. By using these shapes, we can easily draw the letters. First is capital J. For drawing capital J, we draw a standing line like this. And from here, we draw a small curve leftward. Okay? And at the top of this standing line, draw a sleeping line. Okay? This is capital J. And how to write small j? First we draw a standing line, and from here, the bottom of the standing line, we draw leftward a curve like this. And it is small.
Hello, I am capital K. This is my buddy, small k. K for kid. K for king. K for kite.
Kids, now we have to learn capital K and small k. How to write capital K and small k? Okay, please recall the shapes. First, standing line. Then, two slanting lines. Okay, then first we draw a standing line like this, and we draw this slanting line from here to middle of that standing line here, and we have to draw this slanting line from the middle of the standing line and to here. Okay, this is capital K. Kids, we have to draw small k. First we draw a standing line like this and use this point, only use this point. And from here to here, draw a small slanting line and draw another slanting line. This is small k. Once again, capital K and small k. This is small k. Capital K, small k. Capital K, small k. Everybody understood very well?
Hello, I am capital L. This is my friend, small l. L for leopard. L for lion. L for lotus.
Okay. Now let's learn next alphabet, capital L. Capital L and small l. Capital L is very simple to study. First, draw a standing line. And from here, draw a small sleeping line. This is capital L and small l. Small l is very simple to draw. Just draw a standing line. This is small l. Once again, capital L, small l, capital L, small l.